following message is transmitted by Red. This video will contain valid emergency alert tones. It is extremely important that you don't be stupid and play the video in the air, because it will cause massive panicking and confusion. Red does not own any tones, music, or clips in this scenario, but anyways, get some pizza or McDonald's and enjoy watching.
My style is ridiculous.
Skibidi dum dum dum, yes yes. Skibidi dum dum dim dim. Skibidi dum dum dum, yes yes. Skibidi dum dum dim dim.
We ain't here to hurt nobody.
Skibidi skibidi skibidi.
Wanna see you work your body.
Skibidi.
This is WEWS serving the city of Cleveland. I am Charlie Blaze, and this is your morning news. The weather for today is going to be a cloudy day, temperatures will be in the 40s, and now for the top stories. 2029 is finally here, and to celebrate, there will be a marching band to celebrate this year, so make sure you will have a great time at the marching band. There will also be fireworks in the night of Cleveland. That's all I have for now. This is Charlie Blaze, signing off.
I knew I should have eaten Taco Bell. I need to go to the bathroom immediately. Wait, something is wrong with the toilet. Is that a head in the toilet?
Skibidi dum dum dum, yes yes. Skibidi dum dum dim dim. Skibidi dum dum dum, yes yes.
Oh no, let go of me.
Yes, 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 skibidi dum dim, skibidi dum, yes, 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 skibidi dum dim dim.
The following message is transmitted by the request of the Cleveland Police Department. All residents in the city of Cleveland, get to your homes immediately. Many reports say that there are multiple creatures roaming the streets of Cleveland, attacking and killing anyone it sees. The description of the creatures was quickly found. These creatures appear to be toilets with a human head on the toilet. These toilets are attacking their victims and flushing them down in the toilet. All residents are advised to get away from these toilets and run to your homes immediately. Lock all doors and windows. If you see any of the toilets anywhere near your area, call 911 immediately. Stay tuned for more information on this situation. The following message is transmitted by the request of the Cleveland Police Department. The toilets are now reported to be shooting laser from their eyes. There are more than 30 toilets in the city of Cleveland. The names of these toilets were found by police. The name of these toilets are called Skibidi toilets from social media. If one of the toilets breaks into your home, use any weapon at all time. This includes legal force. Stay tuned for more information of this serious situation.
This is WEWS serving the city of Cleveland. I am Charlie Blaze, and this is a breaking news report. The toilets are still attacking people across Cleveland. The police are having a hard time on killing these toilets. Some of these toilets even have spider claws. They can kill their victims by stabbing them with their spider claw. All residents of the city of Cleveland are advised to stay in your homes at all time and do not make any noise, because these toilets will find you immediately. That's all I have for now. This is Charlie Blaze, signing off.
The following message is transmitted by the request of the Cleveland Police Department. All residents of the city of Cleveland, seek shelter immediately. Another toilet was spotted roaming with the toilets. It was now confirmed that this toilet is the leader of the toilets. The name of this toilet is called G Toilet. This toilet is very huge and can summon toilets. All residents must seek shelter in place at all time. Do not go outside for any reason. If you see any of the toilets anywhere near your area, call 911 immediately. Stay tuned for more information on this dangerous situation.
Someone help me. Thank you so much. Wait, is that a camera on your head? That's weird.
The following message is transmitted by the request of the Cleveland Police Department. At approximately 7:50 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time, an unknown individual was spotted roaming the streets of Cleveland. This individual is not hostile. Instead, this individual is attacking the toilets. The description of the individual was found. This individual seems to be wearing a black suit with black gloves, and has a camera in his head. There are multiple cameramans attacking the toilets. All residents are advised to stay away from the attacked. Do not go near the battle, or you will risk yourself of being attacked. Stay tuned for more information on this serious situation.
Get away from me. Phew, that was a close one. Oh no.
The following message is transmitted by the request of the Cleveland Police Department. This is not a test. I repeat, this is not a test. All residents of the city of Cleveland, evacuate immediately. The leader of the toilets have sent out a nuclear missile. Once the missile hits the city, the state of Ohio will be completely destroyed. All residents must evacuate immediately. Gather the necessary supplies, such as food, water, clothing, medical supplies, first aid kit, a fully charged cell phone charger, and a battery-powered radio. The cameramans are figuring out how to stop the missile from hitting the city of Cleveland. Stay tuned for more information on this dangerous situation. Administrative message. The following message is transmitted by the request of the Cleveland Police Department. All clear. I repeat, all clear. The cameramen have successfully destroyed the nuclear missile by launching their missile to stop it from destroying Cleveland. In addition, the leader of the toilets has successfully been flushed by the cameramen. You are now free to leave your shelter. The 2029 marching band is still happening next week. We thank you for participating in the emergency alert system. Normal programming may now resume.
My style is ridiculous.
Skibidi dum dum dum, yes yes. Skibidi dum dum dim dim. Skibidi dum dum dum, yes yes. Skibidi dum.